Ajmera Fashion, and today's video is going to be very different because today I am not going to just show you collection but also a small tour of Ajmera Fashion. Yes friends, first thing I want to tell you, you can see here we have thousands of collection. Just an example, you can see the side. Look at this, these all are just saris and saris. Yes friends, we have more than 1,000 of catalog and 10,000 of collection, like varieties, literally more than that. Friends, if this is an opportunity for those people who want to start business, so please do come here and let's jump into the video. That is going to be the silk sari video. So directly go to the silk sari counter. So come. So this is a whole inside Ajmera house. So we are going to a counter where we are going to shoot our today's video. So hello, he's our watchman uncle. Hello. And whenever you will come here, you will find him and he will always guide you if you have any inquiry about anything. So you can see here, this is just a counter. We have more than 22 counters in Ajmera Fashion, but today we are just going to see one counter, and that is silk sari counter. Just an example, you can see this side. Here too we have thousands of collection in silk sari. Look, collection like thousands of catalog, thousands of varieties, thousands of patterns, not in just silk but cotton sari, synthetic sari, daily wear sari, party wear sari, all kind of saris we have here. So if you want to see that collection, if you want to know price, what you can do, you can see the numbers on screen. You just have to call there or message there. Further information, our online sales executive will provide you. The previous counter was the silk saris counter, and this counter is going to be the cotton sari counter. You can see here the person who is wearing a navy blue color shirt, he is our salesman, and the other one is our customer, and they are going to start their business. So this is how you will get treatment from here. Yes friends, we will provide you a salesman, and that salesman give you all the guidance which is important for you to start your own business. If you want to start your own shop, you can, or else if you want to start your business from a small scale, that can be your home. So that too you can. So friends, let's move forward and directly jump into the counter. Yes friends, I have chosen some samples for you that I want to show you in today's video. So please keep watching this video, and here are some samples. So let's go. So friends, finally we have a sample in our hand. So first sample what we are going to see, that is going to be this kat padar or kind of paithani sari, because in the paithani sari, look, this is a full paithani sari you are getting here on a silk base, on a silk fabric. You can see here it has a multi-work kind of work and also coming with the zari work. It is very brilliant pattern, and also this is coming with the blouse piece. Yes friends, we have lots of collection with blouse piece, without blouse piece, and with lace border, without lace border. And this particular sari has a contrast blouse piece with the heavy brocade pattern. So it is very attractive piece. Let's see the catalog of this particular sari. So look, this is the catalog. In the one catalog you will get all the color different. Just an example, this is the last page, and you can see here it has all color different but the all pattern same, because there are some customers who like the design but they have one inquiry that I love the color, I love the design, but I want to see some more collection, more colors. So this catalog is for all of those customers who want colors, variety. So the name of the catalog, that is Senorita. Yes friends, you heard it right, the name of the catalog is written here, that is a Senorita. Let's move forward and see the next pattern, and that is going to be this very beautiful lychee silk sari. Yes friends, why lychee silk is so famous? Because lychee silk is the fabric which is very shiny and lustrable, and it has a very intricate designs and patterns. You can see the motifs. Look at this motif, it is very brilliant keri motif along with the kind of zari work, and also this side you can see here these motifs has inspired from our caves and temples. So this is a speciality of this kind of particular sari. You can see here something, this kind of overall look you will get here. So it is very brilliant and coming with the kind of shiny pattern. Let's move forward and see the next pattern, and that is going to be this sari with the fusion of Pochampalli and Paithani. Yes friends, this sari is a fusion of Pochampalli and Paithani, because you can see this side. Look, it is really attractive and brilliant because it has this peacock pattern, parrot pattern and some Pochampalli designs. That's why I said it. This is the fusion of Pochampalli and Paithani, coming with the black color. Now there are lots of customers who love to wear black, including me. Yes friends, personally I love to wear black because that gives me a confidence, different kind of. So you should keep all kind of color varieties, because if 5 customers are coming at your place, so choice of the 5 customers, that will be different, and that is the main thing. You have to maintain all kind of color varieties and design for your customer if you want to maintain your business, if you want to increase your business. Let's move forward and see this heavy sari coming with the jal pattern. Look inside, it has a multicolor work. Look, this thread is different, this thread is different, this thread is different, this pink thread is different, and this whole sari has a heavy zari work. You can see different kind of shininess inside it, and it is very intricate and lustrable sari. Let me show you the pallu part. So this is going to be a pallu part coming with this kind of jhalar work. Isn't this beautiful? Now friends, you might have one question that ma'am, why you are not mentioning the price? So friends, we are extremely sorry, we are not able to disclose the price. The only reason why we are not disclosing the price, that is, if we will disclose the price, that will be problem for all of you to add your margin. That's why if you want to know price or else you have any inquiry, you can direct contact us. For more details, you can see the numbers on screen. Direct call there or message there. Further information our online sales executive will provide you. So next sari, wow. Now this fabric is very light and weight, and this sari, this fabric is really brilliant because it is very soft fabric coming with the kind of Pochampalli work on the overall body, and the same Pochampalli kind of thread you will get in the pallu pattern, coming with the intricate design, colors and motifs. Let me show you the catalog. So name, you can see this is the catalog, and if we will open the catalog, wow, look at the colors friends. All colors are the same color we are looking here. Look, same color and same motifs. Look, so this is a set of 6 pieces, so you are getting 6 color different. That is the speciality of Ajmera fashion. With along with the variety, you will get the option of color chart. Friends, here one thing I want to mention, that you are not able to purchase single piece, you have to purchase whole bunch. Now why whole bunch? We are the only manufacturer who is providing all of these things to a retailer. That means you can only join us when you want to start your business. Let's jump into the last sample of our today's video. That is going to be this sari on a silver zari base. Yes friends, we have seen lots of saris in a golden zari, but this particular sari is coming with the silver zari. Let me show you the motif first, which is on pallu. Now it has a very different kind of Radha Krishna pattern. Look at here, this is the Radha Krishna. This is the pattern of Lord Radha Krishna, and it is very brilliant, coming with the silver zari, and you can see the shininess of that silver zari too. Let's jump into the border. Look at the border. Isn't this attractive? Like you will get round motif butta and zari pattern. Let me show you back side. So look, this is how you will get to know. This is the weaving work. Let me show you the one pattern. This is the thread of zari. So something this kind of heavy work, like this is a handmade weaving you are getting here. Friends, we have thousands of varieties, collection and pattern with a good quality. You will get pure silk fabric here. Yes friends, you will get synthetic silk here, pure silk here, handloom sari, all kind of saris we have, except that kurtis, dress material, ladies undergarments, blouse, petticoat, men's wear, kids wear, lehenga, nighty, and thousands of varieties we have. For that, please, you should come here. We assure you that we have bestest collection in Ajmera fashion. So friends, let's just see the catalog of this sari which we have seen right now. Look, like literally it is very good colors, running colors. Mainly in a festive season, customer loves to wear this kind of collection. So friends, this was our today's video on silk sari. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan signing off.